Hi there, so today I have an Acer Aspire 5 laptop. Basically what is happening is that it's not starting. So why it's not starting is because client plugged in the charger and just charger sparked and popped out. So something must have happened and I will try to find out what could be the problem. So because it sparked, where the charging port is here, because it sparked, it means something is on short and we should see who was causing those sparks. Okay, so let's take this unit apart. Oh, yeah, look at the battery, it's all swelled. So because it's all swelled, I will disconnect it and I'm gonna take it on the side because I don't want to have it next to me because it doesn't look nice. Look, like pillows. Okay, this has to be replaced. Well, we have our board and we're gonna check using the microscope if we can find anything. So looking at the board, we'll see this is our charging port here. Okay, that's where everything's starting. And looking at the board, so far everything looks good. Can't see anything. The fan is a little bit dusty with the rust. All clean here. That's the screen. That's the memory terminal. SSD drive. Can't see anything. Well, let's take out the board. Maybe it's on the other side of it. Okay, we have the board out. I will put this mat here. Sometimes when it burns, you can smell. And if you work with electronics, you know that smell. Okay, I can't smell anything. Let's check. So here we have USB ports. Looks good here. HDMI. We have our charging port here. These are the MOSFETs. They all look fine here. The cap. So far I can't see anything what would be blown. MOSFETs here, they're all good. They don't look like they're cracked or burned. Here is all good as well. Can't see anything here. I feel so stupid now. Why I didn't check the charging port? Let's have a look. You look at that. You see this? The charging port is on short circuit. So the plate from the side is touching the middle pin by creating a short circuit. This is critical and this is why it's sparked. I'm so stupid that I haven't checked it at the beginning before dismantling it, but anyway, I will have to replace it. It's a charging port. Okay, so that's what's on short now. But did this done any damage? I don't know. So basically, the charging port is damaged, the battery is swollen, and we don't know if the charging port done any other damage to the board. So first thing first, what I will do, I will try to replace the charging port, and I think I have them. It's a brand new. It's a brand new charging port. It should go down there. If you ask where is the memory, it's soldered here on the other side of the board. So it still has one terminal, you can add additional one, but you have one soldered already. Okay, so I will now replace this charging port. Okay, I will add some flux, and what I will do next, I'm gonna mix the factory solder with my solder, because this will allow to take out the charging port much more easier. So I don't need to heat that much with a heat gun. Okay, let's take this out. Now, as for the new port, we will clean this solder leftover so we can easily insert our new charging port. Okay, let's take our new board. Let's flip the board over. It should go fully inside. It should go fully in. Now, once it's in, I will solder it first from the other side. So I just want to make sure stays there. So as you can see, it's secured. Now we need just solder those 3 pins here with no flux. So one with this angle. basically that's it. We have our new port in. I'll do some cleaning here. That's it. So look, we have a brand new charging port. So if you check from this side before, if I'm gonna zoom in now, you're gonna see where is the part. See this one down there in the corner? So this one was bent and it was touching the center one. I'm gonna have the same thing from other side as well. So now we need to take it back together and just try it. Right. Okay, let's fit this back in. Now let's give it a try. Okay, where is my power supply? Come here. Oh, looks nice. I have two keyboards. Okay, if I'm gonna plug in my... So let's give it as a standard 19 volts. And let's say 3.7 amps. Okay, let's try to start it. I can hear the fan spinning. As you can see, it's taking 1 amp. It's working. I can hear the fan. And we have Acer logo. And it's loading up. Okay. So it sparked. The problem was the charging port. The fan is spinning. And yes, so now I'm just gonna order a new battery, fit the new battery, because you can't use this. It's dangerous. It's dangerous. We're gonna fit you a brand new battery and you will have a lovely working machine again. So thank you for watching my video. See you next time.